Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cleaning my refrigerator because baby, it needs it. Can you tell? All right, hope you enjoy the video. Do y'all see? Let's go get it done because I've been just like sitting there. I've been thinking like, why is my refrigerator like this? It shouldn't be. It never is, honestly. Oh, shoot. This is a work itself, honestly. And look at all this stuff. I'm just gonna take everything out and sit it on the floor. I made ranch dressing, as you can see. There's a cup of milk. One of the kids had that, I'm sure. I press. No, I be cooking. No, I be in here cooking. This is insane. And it's, what is this? Look at this. Gravy. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so right now I am washing the refrigerator organizers that I bought. I haven't used them yet, but of course I'm going to get them clean. And then I'll wipe them dry. Alright, let's go. Right now, y'all, because can't put it anywhere. Okay, but yeah, I'm drying everything off. Now that it's dry, let's go ahead and start setting the refrigerator. All right. refrigerator is finito, and it looks much better, right? Much better. All right, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll be back soon. Peace out.